Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to play Blackbird by the Beatles, only the first part. And the very first thing that you need to play or practice is playing together the middle finger and the thumb and then the index finger. So we're gonna put this finger right here on the B string and the E string, and then the index finger on a third string, which is G string. So we need to play like this. And then we need to count the fingers, so this will be number 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we're gonna start putting the second finger on the first fret and playing like this. Then we need to move the first finger on the B string, and then moving the first finger to the A string and the third finger to the B string and play together. So it has to sound like this. Then quickly we move all the hand. We slide the hand to the 10th fret, the first finger on a A string and the third finger on a B string. Well, two frets after the first finger, and we play together. We can repeat. Then we need quickly move the hand, the first finger on a string and the third finger on a B string, and 2 frets after that together. And then we move the first finger to the third fret and the second finger right after that fret on a string. So it has to sound like this. Then we move the first finger on a 5th fret and the third finger on a 7th fret, and we pass the first finger the same fret, but on the E string, and the second finger right after that, but on the 8th string. And then we move the first finger to the 7th fret, and then the third finger on the 8th fret. Okay, and then we move quickly only this finger 1 fret out before, and we move all the hand, and then we pass the first finger to the third fret on the E string, and the second finger on a fourth fret, sorry, and on a 8th string. It has to sound like this. Then the first finger on the 8th string and hand on the third fret, and the third finger 2 frets after that on the B string. So we move all the hand right here on the second fret in the same position, and we move again in the same position, and the last, well, almost the last, the first finger on the second string and on the first fret, and then we use again the first the second finger on the third fret, and it's just that. So it has to sound like this. Thank you for watching.